Hi, this is John Unrein, editor of Bake Magazine. At this year's IBIE, you won't want to miss the Artisan Marketplace, crafted by Peratos. Filled with offerings that feed your passion and creativity, this interactive, innovative marketplace is a hub for unique experiences and exceptional learning opportunities for artisan and retail bakers looking to hone their skills, make connections, and be inspired for growth. Here you'll find content covering bread, pastry, and chocolate, including special tastings, live Q&A sessions with leading experts, and demonstrations from certified master bakers. Dennis Gannell, IBIE Chair, sums up the total IBIE experience. IBIE 2022 will be the first large-scale baking event held in person since 2019, and it will be an invaluable, unique experience that covers the current products and trends of our industry, as well as a chance to reunite and celebrate our successes.